Here I am at a very high-end home, and this is for a regular client. And this particular client has metals that are made of brass, and the vanity is made of quartz. So this takes a lot of expertise, and we have to be very careful of what we use. That's why it's so important to hire a company that's not just a dime a dozen company, that's not just a cheap company. Your only concern is price, because to clean these effectively without damaging them, you have to know what you're doing. And I've cleaned these 1,000 times, so I know exactly how to make these look like $1 million. You have to be very methodical and very, very meticulous when you're cleaning brass and quartz. You don't want to use just any product. I'm actually just using water to remove some of that scale that's on the metals. Again, I would just like to emphasize the importance of documentation in one's portfolio, because anybody can make a fake review. Anybody can buy fake certificates, fake credentials, but you can't fake a timestamped video. You can't fake discussing your nuances in your methodologies on a video. That's you. It's coming from your mouth. You're in the video. You are performing the work. And that's huge to you, the client, to the person that's watching this, to other cleaning professionals that are watching this, how important it is to document your work. Now more than ever, I believe we need to document our work as a cleaning professional, as a company that pays taxes, and that's been well established in the community, because the economy right now is very poor. Therefore, people are going to be coming out of the woodwork and starting cleaning companies, because it's unregulated and it's very easy to get into. Anybody can do it. You could buy a fake certificate and set up some phony reviews, and you're in business. So keep that in mind when you're hiring a professional. Ask to see some of their work. I don't see these type of credentials from other cleaning professionals, other cleaners where I'm at in Tallahassee. And I don't mean to be putting them on blast, but we as an industry, we've got to do better. We got to prove our skills, because it's a reflection on us. Think about it, folks. I don't want to be lumped in that category of frauds and hacks. I've worked too damn hard in my business to get where I'm at. It's just not a good look for us. We need to bring integrity back into the cleaning industry. My apologies for getting on my soapbox today. I get very emotional when I hear certain stories about people being taken advantage of. And that goes for customers and other small businesses that operate in the Tallahassee area and around the country. I just thought I'd share some of my thoughts. Now, back to the cleaning. You can see everything came out great, and we used non-corrosive products, mainly just water, a few tools, and voila, everything looks, I think, magnificent.